Okay, I'm going to tell you the story when my parents fight.
Hey baby, I'm hungry.
What do you want to eat? How's your day, honey?
I have grabbed some birds, a pelican will be fine.
You know, you can ask it for that in a nice way. I'm tired with your damn personality.
Well, could you please go home some pelican for me?
Why don't get up with your ear claws and go home by yourself? Ah, now you are picky.
Of course, I'm the king of the jungle.
Shut up.
Okay, sorry baby, forgive me.
No, you're always like that. I'm sick of you.
Sorry baby, I love you. I love you.
Okay, I can be mad at you. Love you too.
Okay, honey.
So pelicans are good, right? Give me 5 minutes.
Thank you, honey. It was delicious.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope that you like the video.